we come to the next term, that is angle in a same segment. Angle in a same segment are equal. Angle in a same segment are equal. Let's say first understand the concept. What do you mean by angle in a same segment? Let's say this is the center of a circle and there are 2 points on this circle, A and B. There are two pieces of arc. One piece of arc is this AB and another is this AB. There are two pieces, or we can say there are two segments, AB and BA. Now let's say we are making the angles with this arc or with this segment. Now this arc, let's say make the angle with the another segment is theta. So if we are making another angle with this segment on the alternate segment, so all angles are same. We are making the angles with this segment and the alternate segments, and all angles should be equals to theta. So angles in a same segment are equal because all the angles are made by the segment AB and the angles are made on the alternate segment of AB. So all these angles are equal. Now we have to prove this. Let's say again we draw a circle. Let's say there are 2 points A and B. With the help of AB, this angle is theta and this point is C. Let's say there is another point D. In this we have to prove that angle ADB is equals to angle ACB, that is angle in the same segment are equal. Now to prove this, let's say this is the center of the circle O. Now we connect O with A and O with B. Now as we already know that the angle made by arc at the center is twice the angle made by the same arc in the alternate segment. Therefore we can say that angle AOB is twice of angle ACB. So we can say that angle AOB is twice of theta. And again we apply the same theorem that the angle made by the arc at the center, that is AOB, is twice the angle made by the same arc, that is AB. The arc AB is making an angle ADB. So we can also say that angle AOB is twice the angle ADB. Angle AOB is twice the angle ADB. As we know that the angle AOB is twice of theta, so twice of ADB, so 2 and 2 are get cancelled, so we left with angle ADB is equals to theta. Therefore angle ACB is equals to angle ADB, that is equals to theta. That we have to prove that the angle in a same segment are equal. Now we have to prove the next theorem, that is angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. That is angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So what is the theorem? Let's see first. We have a circle and AB is the diameter of the circle which is passing through the center. Let's AB. Now This arc AB will form an angle 180 degree at the center. Okay. Now what we have to prove that the angle made by these 2 points, that is A and B, the ends of the diameter at the circumference of the circle, is always be 90 degree. Is always be 90 degree. That we have to prove that the ends of the diameter of the circle will form an angle 90 degree on the circumference of the circle. That we have to prove. So to prove this, again we let's say draw a circle, and let's say this is the center of the circle O, and there is a chord which is passing through the center of the circle, becomes the diameter of the circle. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that the angle made by the ends of the diameters at the circumference of the circle is always be 90 degree. Let's say this is the point C. We have to prove that angle ACB is equals to 90 degree. As we know that this is the straight line, AB is the diameter, so this arc AB will form an angle at the center is 180 degree because AB is a straight line. So therefore angle AOB is equals to 180 degree. And we already know that the angle made by the arc at the center is twice the angle made by the same arc in the alternate segment. So we can say that angle AOB is twice the angle ACB. As angle AOB is 180 degree, therefore 180 is equal to twice of angle ACB. So angle ACB is equals to 180 degree divided by 2, which is equals to 90 degree. So the angle in a semicircle is always be 90 degree. Now let's do some problem based on this. Let's say we have a circle with center O, and let's say AB is the diameter. This is the point C. Let's say this is 30 degree, and we have to find this value of x. Find x. Let's see here. As AB is the diameter, and we know that the angle in a semicircle is always be 90 degree. Therefore angle ACB is 90 degree. The reason, we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So in triangle ACB we can apply the angle sum property, that is angle A, that is 30 degree, angle C, that is 90 degree, plus x should be equals to 180 degree, angle sum property. So 90 plus 30 120 degree, plus x is equals to 180 degree. Now we can say that angle x is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equals to 60 degree. Now we move to the this is the required answer, that is x equals to 60 degree. Now we move to the next question. We have a circle. Let's say this is 40 degree. Let's say this is 30 degree, and we have to find the value of this x, this angle. Let's say we name these points A, B, C, D. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Now to find the value of x, what we see here in triangle ABC, one angle is 40 degree. This x we have to find, and we don't know the value of C as well. So first of all we have to find the value of C. Now what we are seeing here, that this angle C is forming by the 2 points A and B. that is the arc AB. Now with this arc AB, there is an also one angle is forming, that is angle D. So with this arc, there is an angle D is forming. So angle C and angle D both are forming with the same arc, that is AB. So we can say that angle ACB is equals to angle ADB. That is, angle in the same segment are equal. So we can say that it is equals to 30 degree. The reason is angle in the same segment are equal. Angle in the same segment are equal. Now, so the angle ADB is 30 degree. So now simply we can apply the angle sum property in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can apply the angle sum property degree, that is angle A, that is 40 degree, angle B X, angle C 30 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. So 40 plus 30, that is 70 degree, plus X is equals to 180 degree. So angle X is equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree, which is equals to 110 degree. This is for today. Thank you.